mind is blank when I speak in English. Now this is the problem. What I have heard so many times, and I just want to say one thing to that it's happened. It used to happen with me, and I can totally understand if it happened with you. I have few idea to share with on on the video today. I am sure they are they are going to help you. There are some amazing tips for you, and if you follow these tips, even if you follow one of those that I'm going to tell you about in the video today, I'm sure you will be fair head of where you are right now with this problem of your. So let's start. My name is Mebu, and I'm talking about mind is blank and how can this problem solve. So ready? So I'm going to talk about this very common issue of mind going blank, word not coming in mind. So you take push and confidently, and confidence is lost. You are shaky and scared. You are scared. You are hesitate. You don't want to continue. You like, man, I have done this. Is just too hard. I don't want to continue. All right, these problems are solved, but you can handle this. I'm every day and 10 minutes you time spent your English language. English language is my mother tongue. No, it's my not mother tongue. It's already officially language. You know that? It's officially language. It's not my mother tongue. But how can I achieve this your language and I'm speaking English? There are problem. All right, just hear one out, and I will continue. You that is not suppose is not supposed to be your approach. Your approach should be of your fighter. Your approach should not be a somebody who is who is ready to give up on the first obstacle. Okay, just here. No, I am going to be sharing with you a few tips which I have proposed earlier also in few of my video, but them some of them are going to be new also now. The first thing that I cannot to say every here is not the problem is not your vocabulary. You just need a very few words in order to speak properly in English. The problem is not with the vocabulary. The problem is with your hesitation of new. The hesitation that you face when you are trying to do something new, because your habitual of speaking in English is mother tongue. Mother tongue, you are not very used to speaking in English. So there is the hesitation. I also tips. I give a tips. You are ready, but your practice in English daily. Your routine. Your 5 words and stock word. It means stock word. Your must be your stock word, and after your grammatical word you will understand. and understanding your grammatical word, so you perfectly and confidently English. So their problem is solved, and your daily routine and 10 words you will remind and remember and memorize, and your vocabulary, grammar, etc., everything you understand. So doesn't matter who are you, doesn't matter who belong to you, doesn't matter where are you, you are perfect man and perfectly English spoken, I sure. So I'm talking about my video is not long. Enough this, and will you share and like, comment?